There is no better way to catch reversals in the market than by using this extremely simple day trading strategy. Now, as you can see, we have swept buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. As well as a sweeping buy side liquidity, we have also created this bullish fair value gap. Now, when it comes to fair value gaps in the market, you need to stop longing from bullish fair value gaps and shorting from bearish fair value gaps. What you really need to be doing in the market is waiting for bullish fair value gaps to be disrespected. Now, all this means is as soon as we get a candle close below this bullish fair value gap, we can expect price action to come down and take some sort of sell side liquidity, or at least tapping into a bullish fair value gap that has not been mitigated yet. So what we will do is enter into our bearish position. Our stop loss is simply if we get a candle close back above this now bullish fair value gap, and our take profit is simply sell side liquidity that is resting in the market. Now, this day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. So if you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live every single day, the link is simply in my bio. Mentors will sell this advice for a lot of money. Now, I'm going to give it you for completely free, and all it is going to be how you're going to determine your daily bias when we are so high, or if we are at all-time highs in the market. Now, when it comes to finding your daily bias in the market, if we are looking at this price action chart right here, as you can see, we are at all-time highs. Now, when it comes to daily bias and we are at all-time highs, for example, right now, you can only be bullish unless there is a reason to be bearish. And for example, if we are looking at this chart right now, there is absolutely no reason to be bearish in the markets. Therefore, when I am trading in the charts, my daily bias is always going to be bullish until it gives me a reason to be bearish. Now, the reason for this is simply because you don't know when price action is going to retrace. Because we are at all-time highs, we have nothing to go off from the left. So we could just simply keep pumping up and up and up. Nobody knows when we are going to come down, unless obviously on the lower time frames or the daily time frame we get some sort of inversion fair value gap. Now, I live stream myself trading every single day. I have over an 80% win rate. If you want to watch me trade live every single day and join my trading community with over 20,000 members, then the link is simply in my bio. I caught the best trade of the month today, and all I use is simply fair value gaps and liquidity. Now, you can do the exact same. As you can see, we're respecting this 1 minute bullish fair value gap right here, as well as this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. We are now trading inside of a 1 minute bearish fair value gap. Most ICT traders, and probably yourself, have only been taught to take short positions from bearish fair value gaps and long positions from bullish fair value gaps, and this is simply incorrect. You should be waiting for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap after we have swept the liquidity here, and also respecting this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. And we have a clear draw on liquidity above, which is the news high. Now, the news high has an extremely high chance of hitting in the market, and that is why I am targeting it today. So my entry is simply the candle close above this inversion fair value gap. My stop loss is if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit is the highs. Now, this model has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day. If you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, the link is in my bio. This is the only video that you need to watch if you want to learn a completely profitable and simple day trading strategy. Now, on today, my daily bias is bullish in the market, as well as a daily bias being bullish because we are respecting higher time frame bullish fair value gaps. If we go to the lower time frame on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, we are currently respecting this bullish fair value gap in the market right here. But I do not look to enter into my positions from bullish fair value gaps in the market. What I would do in the market if I'm looking to enter into a long position is I will mark out bearish fair value gaps, and what I will do with bearish fair value gaps is simply wait for them to be inversed in the market. Now, all that means is as soon as we have a candle close above a bearish fair value gap exactly like this, as well as that we have swept sell side liquidity that was resting in the market. So as soon as this happens, I now know that price action should come up and one, either either take some sort of buy side liquidity or at least tap into an unmitigated bearish fair value gap that is in the market. Now, this exact model that I use every single day live on stream has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day. If you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live, the link is simply in my bio.